Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now on this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Kodi application using Unlinked. This method will work with your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. In this method, we'll be using Unlinked. Now, if you don't have the Unlinked app, this is right here. If you don't have this app, I recommend you go to the description below, find the tutorial I've linked. That will show you exactly how to get this app to your TV, and when you have it, use your mouse or rather your remote control to navigate to it and click on it to get in. When you're in, hit new library and type in the library code. For this tutorial, the library code will use everything. And yes, if you find value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So type in everything as you see here, no space, all caps. That's the library code. If it's correct, click enter and you should go to the welcome page. Click enter and scroll down to the application of choice. So for this tutorial, we're looking for the Kodi app, and you can find that way down here at the bottom. Click on Kodi and click on the download button. Now be patient, your download will begin, and depending on your internet speed, it will take from a couple of seconds to just a few minutes. When the download is complete, you'll be prompted to install the application. Click the install app button and click install. That will take the app very available straight into your app library. If you found value in this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.